Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Cloudflare Turnstile. To get started, open your Cloudflare account home in your browser. This is the main dashboard where you can access the tools and settings connected to your account. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account workspace before continuing. From the account home, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Application Security. This section contains security-related tools for protecting websites and applications, and Turnstile is located inside this area. If you're new to Cloudflare, this menu is a good place to become familiar with, since many protection features are grouped here. After that, click on Turnstile. This opens the Turnstile management area, where you can create and manage widgets that help verify real users while reducing friction compared to traditional CAPTCHA tools. If the page takes a second to load, just wait for the widget options to appear. Once you're on the Turnstile page, go to the top right corner and click Add Widget Manually. This option lets you create a new Turnstile widget by entering the settings yourself. It's a straightforward setup process, and this is where you define how the widget will be used. You'll now be asked to enter a widget name. Type in a sample widget name. This name is mainly for your own organization, so choose something that helps you recognize where the widget will be used. For example, it could reflect the site, page, or purpose of the widget. Keeping names clear can make future management easier if you create more than one. Next, go to the hostname setting and select the sample domain. This step connects the widget to the domain where it will run. Be sure you choose the correct hostname, since Turnstile needs to be associated with the intended website environment. After that, select the sample widget mode. The widget mode controls how Turnstile behaves on your site, so choose the option shown for your setup. If you're following along inside your own dashboard, just make sure the selected mode matches the behavior you want for the user experience. When everything looks correct, click. Create to finish. At this point, your Turnstile widget will be created and ready for the next stage of use inside your website or application setup. And that's the full process for creating a Cloudflare Turnstile widget manually. Double check your settings before moving on, especially the host name and widget mode, since those are the most important details in this setup.